Okay, guys, she's about to fly off. I could feel it. But this is Buttercup, and oh gosh, she's so annoyed with me right now. We're going to be doing whole cards based on friendship. The quote, "Fine feathered friend," comes to mind. We're going to do something based on friendship, and we're doing these cartoony cards. You know, I'm sure you guys have friends that you want to reach out to, and more than just one. So I'm going to encourage on this one that after I show you the demo, you certainly do more than one card. So you can reach out and give it to a friend. So this is called an angle cut that we'll be doing. It's very, very simple. And the other thing that I wanted to say to you guys is, I'm bringing it back again, I know, but resourceful. You know, we sometimes don't have stickers, or we don't have exactly the stickers that we want, or we don't have ribbon, we don't have the extra doodads that we would love to. So I'm going to do a short drawing demo on birds that I actually learned from another online artist. And I would like you to go ahead and get these materials out. All you need to do, guys, is start off with, please, you could start off with kind of like a circle, but it doesn't have to be perfect. It could be almost like kind of pear-shaped. Do a few where it's sort of like, you know, again, it could be just a circle. That works. But practice sort of drawing these little pear-shaped things. You know, and you can, this is how flexible it is. You can even do like something that wouldn't look like a bird. Okay? To pick one, and let's just do the beak. And all you have to do, guys, on the beak is just think of it kind of as an arrow shape. But, you know, just put it on the face, somewhere on the face. It's like that. You could do it also on the side. You can have it pointed down, like so. You can make it bigger too, like that. Okay, guys, and so for the feet, it's just pretty simple. It's like there's the legs, right? You could just do, you know, a stick, but you could also do that if you want. But basically this, and then I just do this 1, 2, 3. So it's kind of like the wings, and then there's the back part. You could also do it like 1, 2, 3, and then, you know, it needs like a little way for it to keep balance. So that's the back thing. Gets like, woo, going there. This guy is like, he gets his doodad here. This is the same thing we've done before. On the long side, we're folding it in half. Okay, match the corners. All right, use the side of your nail to kind of get that edge down, and we're gonna just cut it. So we're just gonna fold them in half, and I'll be doing this several times. The most important part, really, I would say, is that beak part, because that's the part that's gonna open that. So with a pencil, kind of decide where you want and how big you want that beak, and you are going to do what we call a diamond shape. So I kind of want it to be fairly big, so it's just kind of like a mountain here. So it's almost a square. And with a pencil, I would just kind of figure out what you want your bird. Go ahead and draw the head if you want. This one's a little bit different than the other ones, but you can still do that kind of blob shape. All right, so here's kind of the important part, you know. There's always one part. So I can kind of see where it's going through. Like even if I think most of us are using white, so if you're using a white paper, you can see it. So just on the bottom of the beak, this becomes important that you don't do the top. You want to do the bottom of it because that's the part that pushes through and you want it to lift up. You want it to go in the right direction. So I will do that again. Here's my other goofy bird. And you know what I'm going to say? All right, so now if it's not perfect on both sides, do not worry about it. We have our ways to get around it. And remember, our bird is not perfect. He's cartoony, so he doesn't have to be. I'm just going to cut along that line. And I'm going to do that one more time. Make sure to watch. I'm doing it one more time in case you guys missed it. Look up, look up. Okay, I'm going to cut to where it ends on the beak. Okay, stopping there. All right, now this is also important. So you see this, his beak ends right here. So I'm doing these dotted lines. We're using our thumbs, we're pushing that through. Okay, we're pushing it through, and then you massage his beak. Literally, you're like massaging his beak to make him feel better and like crease it so he actually can open his mouth. The same here. Now look at how I did not do it so that this goofy bird. Oops, I have to. So what happens is I didn't pull that hard enough. Let's do that. Right now, I'm okay with that because I can just do this. And it kind of looks like his mouth is open more, which is totally 100% okay. It looks like I just did it perfectly. Okay, so we got that. All right, and now part of it is just finishing and decorating your card. So for those of you, I'm going to want to zoom ahead, you can. I'll be going slower and also doing it twice. But I just kind of want you to be creative with the shapes. See how I turned this guy kind of upside down, even like the shape? So the pear is almost upside down. So just have fun with the shapes. You can use pencil if you want. Maybe I'll do that. And lightly going to just sort of look so, you know, each bird kind of has his own little space around, giving enough room for everyone. Go ahead and color, and then we're going to go ahead and you're going to pick like a colored card spot, for example, right? And you're going to fold that card in half. Just like, you know, we've been doing this a lot. All right, so nothing new there. And just remember, you're going to glue stick on one side, right? You let it sit is there, and then you're going to glue the other side. The other thing you can do too is if you want an even trim around it, yeah, just go ahead and, you know, cut an even trim around it. And it can just be by simply getting a ruler and then just sort of measuring evenly all the way around, okay? And then you like draw, and you can do it. So, you know, maybe I could do that really quick. I'll finish one card, and then I'll quickly show you. So, but I just am gonna do this side. So I'm gonna just choose a side. I choose the side to glue. So glue, 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 glue. Okay. Match it up in the center. There. Do the same thing we've done in the past. Okay. And now I'm going to do this side. Here we go, glue it. So, I'm going a little bit faster because I'm not doing anything new. And the thing too is for me, you close it and then you kind of just do this abracadabra kind of thing. Yeah? And then you're like, wow! So now you have your card.
Now, if you like that video, make sure you hit the like button to help us grow the YouTube channel, and hit the subscribe button to make sure that you get notified for future videos. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.